show that for a particle attached between two springs, the frequency is given by nu squared is equals to nu1 squared plus nu2 squared. So to start with, we know that omega is given by 2 pi frequency. So frequency, I'll use mu like this. So if I make this nu the subject of the formula, then I will say nu is equals to omega divided by 2 pi. So frequency is equals to 1 over 2 pi multiplied by omega. So this means that frequency is equals to 1 over 2 pi, and our omega is simply the square root of k over m. So for this equation, what I'll do is I'll make k the subject of the formula. We'll do that by simply squaring both sides. So if I square both sides of this equation, I'll say this squared times this squared. So what we'll obtain in this case will be nu squared is equals to 1 over 4 pi squared. Then the square root cancels with the square, leaving us with k over m. So nu squared is equals to k divided by 4 pi squared m. So to this equation, if I cross multiply, this means that k is equals to 4 pi squared mass multiplied by the frequency nu, like this. So now this is the expression I'm going to use. Now remember, both springs will have the same spring constant expression, which is this one. So this is what we're going to obtain next. Let me just remove this part. If both springs will have the same expression, this means that the effective spring constant k will be equals to k1 plus k2. So the effective constant k, I'll use the formula given there, which is 4 pi squared mass squared, like this. So this is not 1, but this is just nu for frequency. Then for k1, I'll do the same thing. So this will be 4 pi squared mass, then frequency 1 squared. Again, I'll repeat the same formula, which will be 4 pi squared mass frequency 2 squared. So the idea here is, if this is my k, the effective spring constant, then k1 will be equals to 4 pi squared mass frequency 1 squared. And my k2 will also be the same, 4 pi squared mass then frequency 2 squared. So now look at what is common throughout. The 4, the pi squared, the mass is common. Same thing here, the 4, the pi squared, the mass is common. Same thing here, 4 pi squared, mass is common. So the 4 cancels throughout, the pi squared cancels throughout, as well as the masses, they all cancel out throughout as well. So this means that the only thing that will remain with will be the frequency nu is equals to the frequency 1 plus the frequency 2 squared. So there we have it.